will be playing a new game, and I was requested this by my brother Shocking Player 15. He told me to play something called Subway Surfer, which yeah, he did. So let's get on to this. And I'm sorry if you heard him say no, I didn't. He did, it's just that he has a memory issue. Yeah, it's true. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. It's pretty true. It's very true. It's pretty true. Yeah, well that's the reason why you have no girlfriend. Ouch. Oh man. Nope. I'll be back. And if you guys like my skin here, it was really free. So let's do this. I got some prankster gangster skills. Pink Sheep would be proud right now. So I'm sorry for Shocking Clay 15 about his animation. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry to give you bad news that I won't be doing some animations. But if I can, I'll send out a alert saying that I might do animation when I have control of it. So yeah. I will be doing some animations in the future, but for now just sit, relax, and let the two bros entertain you. And we might do some information videos where we have to inform you of some stuff. And so I'm gonna start with this video. This is one of those information videos. Remember, like when I played Roblox, I talked about bullying is wrong. Yeah, so let's get back to a new topic. So I'm here to talk about when no, actually I can't think of new topics. I'm sorry. So I'll just tell you that I'll tell you a topic or another topic about bullying. In fact, I'm gonna tell you my story. So yeah, my elementary, I was picked on for being a smarty pants and shushing everyone. Yeah, so like shushing them so I can learn and stuff. Yeah, if you guys heard Shocking Clay 15 just now, yeah, that was him. I didn't appreciate that. And as soon as the days I got older were the days that I kept getting more picked on. Ow. But it was hard for me. Excuse me for this. Okay, I'm back. I broke my high score. And now I'm the highest. Now since we're near the holidays, with aka 2 days left. Oh yeah. So yeah. 2 days left before the holidays. And it's my birthday's a month away. So let's get back to that story I was telling you. So I was getting picked on a lot, and they didn't think about what they were doing. And I got really hurt. I was like really easily emotional. Oh, and yeah. So yeah. And until I hit, you know what? Let's just start from the beginning. I started as soon as I hit kindergarten. We moved to Alexandria, and I think that was like a few years ago. I came when I was in kindergarten. Which means that I was in uh who here went? Tell me if you went to John Adams Elementary in Alexandria City, Virginia, Alexandria, Virginia. John Adams Elementary. Right now I'm going to Francis Hammond, and yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So I really didn't enjoy it. I was getting bullied by the time I was in third grade. So then what happened was that I kept get bullied. So then first grade came. By the time kindergarten, everyone was so nice, and first grade was pretty nice. I had the nicest teacher. Well, sometimes I was very mad at her for no reason. And I told her lots of silly things, like I jumped out of an airplane, landed in a trampoline, and drove a car to the moon, or something like that. And that would bring a smile to her face. Like, even when she was grumpy, I would cheer her up. And, yeah. People said, after that, people thought I was a nuisance. Like, a silly boy who didn't take anything seriously. So then, that's when I got to the age of, I think 6 or 7. And, yeah. And then came third grade when second grade, everyone was a little chill. Well, some of them got moods for not doing right. Yeah, so I was like, what? No. And like then, cause like I started getting a little grumpy as well myself. And I thought like I would never get grumpy. I'm usually positive. Well, like I stopped being positive and like that happy positive. Like I'm still a little happy positive. I'm regaining that. Then when fourth grade hit, I was getting a little negative when they started cursing at me and like pushing me around. I told my parents, but still they thought it was nothing. Just tell an adult, and the adults would not do anything. I mean, like, what kind of adult would they be if they wouldn't do anything about it? I mean, like, yeah, I'm talking about the teachers. If you heard Chuck and Clay 15, he knows what I'm talking about. Hey, ooh, snowboard. I'll be back. I'm back. So yeah. I did not enjoy it. I started. My parents gave me a few tips of how to calm down, and as well as my teachers. I didn't do that much. Hashtag I didn't do that much. If Miss Washington is watching, which one day she will, I as soon as I graduate, if you see this when I graduate or when I'm in second grade or eighth grade, I think you are a lady who always trusted me like like trusted me when I needed it, or when I the kind of trust when you need it, or the kind of trust when like I'm grateful for your support. I mean, like, um so yeah, um I I I had great times. I know that you'll still be a counselor in my heart, because I'll always remember you even when I graduate from middle school. So yeah. Um, Also, if Melissa, one of my friends, is watching, thank you. As well as James, Billy Boy, David the Prophet, and um, James was. Oh wait, did I already say him? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Um. So yeah. So yeah. And I would like if yesterday you guys watched my latest video from last night. Um. I've been thinking, how do I improve my YouTube? And you guys popped out of nowhere, and you guys were like, yo, yeah, bruh, I would like to help, bruh. You were like that, and then I was like, lightsaber, cause like I know that like with you guys' support, I would become a big time YouTuber. So yeah. We would become a big time YouTuber. Hashtag subscribe to Shocking Clipper Team's channel. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys doing everything. I mean, like everything. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So we have like 2 more minutes left. Fifth grade game was the hardest time I ever been, but in the end, I actually made it. So, I know you guys, I love your support and all that, but, sometimes when I won't be able to make videos because I might be, having a bad day, or be grumpy, or be in a bad mood, all that stuff. I want you to, get me through that. That's why me and my brother started Two Bro Gaming, so me and him can get and bond together. If you guys seen other bro channels, let me know in the comments. I'll check them out, and we'll see what we can do to talk. Maybe we can communicate with them. And another thing, you guys rock. I mean, like, you rock. You guys are the best. James, Billy Boy, all that. Not what. See the. So yeah. We're about to hit 14 minutes. So if you're new, I'm about to end the video here. I have to end the video here. Subscribe, leave a like, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. Maybe I'll read it for you guys. And yeah. So tell me your stories down in the comments, and I'll read them. Thank you for watching the C4 Gaming. Peace out.